Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So I'm Kailash Kannade. Today I'm going to explain the healing agent in UiPath. So what exactly this healing agent? So let's see. So first of all, I'm going to cover the introduction part related to this UiPath healing agent. So then I'm going to explain the how it is going to work, and so how we can start this healing agent. And I'm also going to show you a demo of this healing agent, and healing agent have some limitation, so we are going to understand all that limitation which is related to this healing agent. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what is this healing agent? Okay, so in UiPath, so we have a multiple processes. That process is based on UI automation. When I'm talking about the UI automation, so it is depends on network and bandwidth, and so sometimes UI element is not found. Okay, so it is a lot of issue which is related to UI automation. Okay, so continuously changes into that application, so that's why our bot is going to fail. Unknown pop-up will come every time. So suppose I'm not going to handle that pop-up, then obvious our bot is going to fail into the production environment. Okay, so that's why our support team will work on that. Okay, so that purpose, this is a problem, guys. Okay, so this problem UiPath is going to understand, and so then it now UiPath has a solution related to that problem, and that solution is nothing but a healing agent. So what exactly this healing agent? Healing agent help fix this issue automatically using just in time analysis to find out the best way to recover and when something goes to wrong. Means what? So my healing agent is going to understand that problem, understand just means understand that application behavior, functionality. So then it is going to take a action. So might be it will take a time. Okay, so healing agent will take a time because it is going to analysis just in time analysis, so that's why it will take time, but definitely it will work. Okay, so let's start here what exactly this how it is going to work. Okay, so like this is nothing but how it is going to work. Okay, so see, so suppose there is my simple automation. What is that? Like I need to open the browser and I need to put the credential and I need to fill the information into that processing template, and I need to click on submit button, and same task I need to perform again and again. So this is my simple automation. You need to consider that. Okay, so here my process is going to start here, and then here we have a UI automation execute. My UI automation execute started here, and here, so it is going to check, yeah, that element is present or not into that screen. Element is present or not means what? Our bot is going to struggle that address. Yeah, this selector is found in screen. This selector is present into the screen. If it is present, then it is going to go with the further step or next step. Otherwise, it is going to fail. Otherwise, it is going to fail. Means what? By default it will wait for 30 second for that selector. Means click activity, wait for ready, click activity, type into activity, get text, element exists. By default timeout is a 30 second. It will wait for that selector 30 second by default. If it is not found, then it is going to fail. Now here we have a unified target uh, locate. So what is mean by unified target means what? It is going to change the strict selector for G selector and CV and image that. Okay, and it is going to try to change that selector and again try to identify that UI element. So even that selector is not found. Means what? That UI element is not found. Again, so here we my bot is going to come here and again it is going to check. Yeah, that selector is found. If it is yes, then go with this next step. Otherwise, my bot will come here, and here my healing agent come into the picture. My healing agent, it is going to just in time analysis that application, understand the application, what is that functionality, what exactly error, what exactly wrong into this application. So it is going to understand all that things, analysis Okay, then it is going to take a action. Okay, then it is going to take a action. Okay, so means what? Attempts the recovery. If it is my healing agent is going to identify the problem, then it is going to work. Otherwise it is going to means it is not going to work, then it is going to come here and it is going to throw the logs and means show the log. Okay, okay, here we have an image. Okay, and fail, it is going to fail that gracefully. Otherwise it is going to, if it is going to work, then it is going to come here and go into the next step. So that's nothing but a healing agent. Okay, first of all, our regular automation is going to work. If it is my regular automation is not going to work, then my healing agent will work. If it is try to understand what exactly problem, it is going to just in time analysis. If it is going to recover, then it is going to go to the next step. Otherwise it is going to throw the error, means go into the error level, means gracefully fail. Okay, so this is nothing but this is all about the healing agent. Okay, so let's see how we can configure this healing agent in our system. First of all, we need to get this cloud.uipath.com access, and we need to configure the unattended machine in, if community versions, that is also fine. Okay, and it is not going to work on legacy application, legacy project. Only it is going to work on Windows or cross platform project. Okay, so if your means UiPath Studio like UI automation dot activity package must be greater than or equal to 25.10.2 above, more than this version is available. UI automation dot activity package, we require that. This package is mandatory for configure this healing agent. Okay, so then next, healing agent while adding process can enable the job level as well. Okay, I will show you what exactly this line. Okay, so let's I'm going to start the demo. Okay, so I have already configured that healing agent. I'm going to directly show you. So this is my process. Already I deploy into the orchestrator, and just I'm going to start that process. Okay, I'm going to select and I'm going to start this process. So let's see what exactly this process and how my healing agent is going to help for my automation. I'm going to select that process, blank process 6, blank process and 6. Yeah, this is my project, and I already I'm going to select the machine and host name. Okay, and directly I'm going to start this execution. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so my automation is going to start here. So it is going to put the username and password, and unknown pop-up will come here, and I'm not going to handle this pop-up in my workflow. Means click activity. So this click activity I'm not going to implement, and my bot is going to try to searching the selector of that next element, but it is not going to identify that. So it is by default 30 seconds it will work. Then change the selector. So understand, my healing agent will work only it is going to work on only modern UI automation activity, not a classic. It is going to help for that. Okay, so we have some limitation. We will discuss on that. Okay, so daily you will get, as a community version, daily you will get 10 units of this healing agent, 10 healing. Yeah, so my healing agent will work here. Okay, so I need to select this option. Okay, so yeah, so this is nothing but how my healing agent will work, how my healing agent will work and help for me. Okay, so let's see, we are going to understand in my workflow. So this is my workflow, guys. Here I am not going to implement any click activity. See, close pop-up. But my automation is going to close that pop-up. See, type into, type into, and here I am going to click on create code. But due to that pop-up, I am unable to click on this element. Okay, so that's why I am manually click on that. Okay, but that is fine. Okay, so next operation, my next operation is I need to select the drop down. But here my healing agent will work, help for me, because I need to first of all close that pop-up, then I need to select this option. But due to that pop-up, unable to select that drop down. So here I am going to I need to click on that pop-up button. So that part has missing. And when I am going to develop this automation, that time pop-up will not be means might be don't have that option. Okay, pop-up will not become that time. Okay, so I'm going to open this orchestrator. Let's see what exactly this healing agent will help for me. Okay, here we have a view log option. Now this job purpose, my healing agent has help for me. So that's why this option is enabled here, because this process completed with the help of this healing agent. So that's why this option is enabled. Otherwise you don't have option. See, suppose earlier process, this is my execution, last execution. Here we don't have option healing agent. Okay, so here we have a healing agent option because this process has completed with the help of this healing agent. So that's why here we have option healing agent. I'm going to click on this healing agent. So let's see what are the option which is available into this healing agent. So here we have a auto palette option. We need to download the debug file. Okay, I'm going to download. Okay, so I'm going to download that debug file. So a lot of information which is available into that debugging file means we have a JSON file directly. You can go open that and try to search what exactly our bot is going to fail. Yeah, so I'm going to download this. Directly I'm going to open this. Yeah, here we have a JSON file. See, you need to open this and try to search. Yeah, my agent healing is going to create this file, JSON file. Here we have a lot of information which is related to that failure. Yeah, so false, consume, see, matching class, fuzzy. So we have a selector as well. So a name is equal to from, matching is equal to false, fuzzy. So a lot of information which is available into this session. Okay, so I'm going to open this again. Okay, here we have a affected activity. So I'm going to open this. Okay, so which activity affected? Okay, I'm going to open this. Right, yeah. What is the problem before this pop-up? Okay, and after problem solving, this page will appear. Okay, what is the problem? Up, this is a problem. Pop-up, that is a problem. My healing agent is going to identify that problem and solve that problem. After solving this problem, what is that picture? This is my picture. And also agent healing is going to help for you ki, like it is going to provide the selector as well. Yeah, so what is the suggestion? Use the following step, close that pop-up, add a click activity and use this selector. This is my selector. Just copy and put that click activity. Take a click activity and copy this selector and paste into that selector property. Otherwise you can go with this option. Otherwise, suppose you have support background and you don't knowledge about the development. So simply what you need to do, you need to click on this open in studio. Just you need to click on that. Okay, and that automatically project will open. See, for rework purpose, automatically uh, this project will open here. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. Only we need to click single click. Okay, this is my project. Okay, so suppose like failure recording, you want to get that. So here we have a recording as well, and here I'm going to open this. My autopilot is going to help for this. Just you need to click on that. Mm, okay, so just we need to click on that. Okay, it is going to try to identify that element. Suppose I'm going to open that element. Wait, again it is going to capture the, it is going to indicate that element. So wait, again I'm going to open that. Yeah, so it is going to identify the element. So wait, and to click on pause. Yeah, so now see, I'm not going to indicate anything. I'm not going to make a select, means create any selector. So my UiPath is going to, my healing agent is going to identify that element and create a selector, everything. Just I need to click, just I need to click on one click. That's it. And then click on this confirm option. That activity is going to add it in our workflow. Okay, perfect. And then again you need to deploy this you need to deploy this process in production. Don't need to do anything. Okay, my healing agent, it is going to rework this automation. Okay, because I have two times clicked, so that's why. And okay, so we have a limitation. We are going to understand all what are the limitation which is related to this healing agent. So first is support only this Windows and cross platform, not a legacy project. Okay, so this is the first limitation. And like suppose you want to implement this healing agent, go with modern activity. Okay, and verify education option feature is enabled. So what is that? So in UiPath, that option is available in modern activity. See, like verify, this option is enabled, then it will work. Okay, so this is the second limitation. So next is so like target based solely on computer vision cannot be recovered. Okay, so that purpose UiPath is going to work on this option and this one option. Okay, and also like what is the fourth option? Classic UI automation activity are not supported. Okay, I already told you. And what is the fifth option? So healing agent cannot detect the dialog interface external. Suppose my product, my bot is going to work on the production, it's like it's a RDP or any VMers, and so it is going to work in that environment, and pop-up will come like, which is related to VMware and any RDP pop-up. So it is not able to close that pop-up. Okay, so this is all about the healing agent. Okay, so how we can implement, just we need to like open this process and create a build a process, deploy this process, and where exactly that option is available. See, when you are going to creating the process, now you need to enable that option. That's it. Suppose I want to apply this healing agent for this process, select that process, start this process. Here we have option, enable the healing agent. First of all, enable this option and always go with this option. Enable healing agent self healing means what? Suppose you want to only get the problems, then you can go with this only one option. Suppose you need to solve this that problem as well, then you can select this option, means close that pop-up. That is just how we can solve the problem, means issue. So you need to go with this option. Suppose you want to get the what is the problem, that's it, then you can go with this option. Okay, so this is all about the healing agent, guys. Okay, so so thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please drop the message into the comment box. Yeah, so thanks.